In this video, what I will be covering is a method that will enable you to leave your regular employment and attain financial independence. So, let's get straight to the point. If you head over to YouTube and search for LoFi, you'll come across a channel called LoFi Girl. This channel is like your ticket to financial freedom. Let me break it down for you. Just take a look at their most popular videos. They've got millions of views. And if you check out Social Blade, which estimates their earnings, you'll see they're supposedly making between $90,000 to $1 million a year. But trust me, they're making way more than that. The number of YouTube channels in this field, including the ones that just create simple lo-fi beats with a basic background, is massive. But you don't have to know much about music or editing to make your own channel like that. Let me guide you through creating a lo-fi channel that uses AI. The first thing you need to do while setting up a lo-fi channel is to choose a background image. You can get the AI background for your videos through Hyper.ai by signing up for their beta program. Search for their website and then click on Try It for free. This will get you the link to a Discord server. Take the invitation and start the Discord application. Answer their few quick questions just in case if they have something for you, and then go to Case 1, Case 2 rooms in the Create Here channel. You can choose any of these rooms. For example, I will choose this Case 1. Now, scroll above and look at the older chat. A lot of people are generating their AI images, and we will also do the same thing. Click on the Writing tab and type in /create, followed by what you would like the AI to come up with. For example, I might write, girl studying in her room while listening to music, night stars in the sky, or ultra-detailed, hyper-realistic, high-definition, photorealistic HDH, 8K and 16:9. And other such descriptions in the section labeled Draft. Press Enter and the generator will create an image as per your instruction. As you can see, it's loading. Let's wait a few minutes for the image to be generated. Okay, so the AI has generated our picture. But if you don't like this one, or want something else, then you can follow the same process again as well. And since I like this image, I'll go with this. Okay, now, just tap on the image. So, this is the finished version from the AI. To download the image, click on 3 dots available in the right corner and right-click to save it to your computer. But then again, if you are not using AI to create images, you can go to pexels.com and search for any type of image you want, such as night sky with bright stars. These images are available for free download under copyright-free licenses and can be used for commercial purposes. Once you have your image ready, it's time to find some lo-fi beats for your channel. There are a few options available, some paid, some free. If you decide to use the free options, you'll need to credit the music owner. If you opt for the paid options, you can use the beats commercially and monetize your videos. So the first option is moobert.com. This website here is going to generate AI lo-fi beat music for you that does not exist. So all you have to do is visit this website and click on the sign up option to create an account via your Google or Facebook profile. Once you put your info, they're going to ask you to verify your email. Just go to your mailbox and click on the link they're going to send to you. If you don't find it in your inbox, look in your spam inbox and you can find it there. After you log into the website, this is what you're going to see. All you have to do is select the genre right here on the left. Select genres, and then you're going to pick lo-fi. Then you need to set the duration of the track. Alright, I'm just going to put in 4 minutes and click Generate Track. As you can see, the track is loading. The AI is creating a song for us. Now just go here on the left and click on My Generated Tracks. As you can see, it has been generated. So I'm just going to click here on the Downloads option. As you can see, it's generating the download for this new song. And if you click Download, it's going to ask you to specify your YouTube channel so they can clear your channel for any copyright claims. Well, it's very important that you add your YouTube channel here and then click Continue further to download your tracking. And if you haven't created a YouTube channel yet, then stay tuned because I'm going to help you out in creating a professional channel in the next few minutes. So our song has been downloaded. But the thing is, you cannot use it for commercial purposes. What this means is that you cannot monetize them. However, you can use them for your videos, but you're not going to be able to make money as the site owners are going to claim the monetization for them. But if you are willing to pay $14 a month, you can generate 2 hours of monetized music daily and 500 tracks a month. Also, there's a $39 a month subscription. After purchasing it, you can generate unlimited lo-fi songs and download up to 500 tracks per month. If you don't have a nice budget at the moment and still want to start your channel for free, what you can do is start using the AI music to grow your channel to a certain amount and start affiliate marketing to get some cash. And once you have the initial capital to pay for the subscription of moobird.com, then you can start generating AdSense from your videos as well. Now, I'm only going to mention a few websites briefly so that you can know about their subscription-based model. The next website that you can use is Noise. Noise is very convenient because it is just $20 a month and there is an unlimited number of downloads. It is for commercial use and has no royalty attached to it. I'll leave the link of this in the description below so that you can find it easily. Well, now you have all the accessories. You have the AI image, you have the AI music, and now you have to put them together in a video. I'll show you how to do it. But first, let's create a YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and log in with your Google or Gmail account to create an account. The first thing you have to do is to think of a unique name of your YouTube channel and its username. What's nice about this is that you can always resort to ChatGPT when you feel out of inspiration. Just write top cool names for my LoFi music channel, and GPT will give some great names. Once you have picked your channel name, it's now time to craft a logo and a banner. Go to your browser and just search Free AI Image Generator Canva to get the right link of this website. Now, you need to open this first page. Well, you can see at the right corner there is a sign up option. Just register with your Google account and then come back to the previous page. Now, here it is showing Generate AI Image. Click on it, and this will lead you to a new pop-up screen which will probably state Magic Media. Basically, here it is saying you can generate images, graphics, and videos. So we will go to the image section and write our prompt of more than 5 words to describe our image type. So let's just write aesthetic YouTube channel logo and banner for a girl who likes lo-fi music, and then select our style, which is anime, and change the aspect ratio to landscape. Press Generate Image and the generator will create an image as per your instruction. As you can see, it's loading. Let's wait a few minutes for the image to be generated. Okay, so the AI has generated 4 different pictures, and since I like this image, I'll go with this. Now just tap on the image and stretch this image on your drawing board to cover the white space. Then, click on 3 dots and download the JPG version of this image. Now, it's time to customize our new YouTube channel. Go to the Branding tab, where you will update your channel logo and banner. Drag and drop the logo and banner images, and then set the logo as the watermark. Click on Publish to create your channel. Now it is time for us to go to the last part of the video's creation. Let me use CapCut because it is free, and if you are new to it, you can create a free account by signing up with your Gmail account. When you are through with that, you will see Create a New Project. Now, upload your image and audio files. The first thing you have to do is to drag the audio file onto the timeline. Later, just place the image next to it. Make changes to the image according to the audio, and don't hesitate to apply filters and effects in order to make it look more engaging. And once you are ready for it, just press the Export button for saving these results into the device. The music video is now in the bag. We can now upload it to our channel. But first, let's add an attractive title and description, plus a catchy thumbnail to grab viewers' attention. Alright, here we go. Our video is now live. So you can also follow the same process, but I suggest making a long video, like around 2 or 3 hours. If you check out LoFi Girls' videos, they're all about the same length. So make sure to make a longer video to get more engagement. And that's it for today. Hope you find this video helpful. What do you think about using AI tools for content creation? Let us know in the comments section. Do you know that you can now create not just music, but full-on animated videos with the help of AI? Find out how to make an animated cartoon video with AI. See you in the next one.